guys, we are back again in our channel. Welcome to the Bee House.
So yun, we have a very important milestone today which we want to show you guys. Well, it's starting to rain now, but we are finally around 90% done with our interior tiling for the floors, no?
And I think it has been a long while before, it's been a long while since we last had a proper vlog kasi sobrang dami talagang nangyari sa house and there are a lot of things that needed to be improved on, and now marami nang natapos sa finishing, which is the
floor tiles. When we say it's 90% done, hindi pa siya yung sobrang na extend all the way hanggang sa corners and everything, but the majority of the tiles have been installed both for our ground floor and our second floor. So let's take a look inside.
Okay, umuulan na. Let's go. Ayan, so finally nakikita nyo na ang aming, teka lang, ang hirap pala. Hirap pa nila. Wait. Nakikita nyo na ang aming main door. So we tried our best to actually have a really big main door. Request ko talaga yon. Gusto ko sana yung mas malaki pa. Pero ito na yung best na magagawa natin. So, this door is actually facing the east. And we actually want this parang entrance. Hindi siya talaga nakaharap sa kalye. So, parang may turn pa bago makarating dito. So, yan. Hindi ko alam kailan makakabit yung pintuan namin. Sana soon. And let's move on to the different parts of the house.
So this will be our main living area. This is our whole upper ground floor. Now, yan, makikita nyo yung tile na pinili namin is medyo dark gray.
Yeah. Now, it looks very light right now kasi it's all dust, pero kapag nalinis na to, makikita nyo na totoong dark gray siya.
But may fake ba na dark gray?
Kasi marami pang mga dust, maraming mga pulbos ng semento and all that. So hindi pa siya nalilinis. It looks light.
Para may drama, kaya pinili namin dark. At saka, para kunwari yung putik, yung dust, yung alikabok, hindi mo kita pag masyadong light yung tiles mo or white. Napansin ko yan lalo na kung, di ba, mag-trail ka ng putik or basa yung shoes. Lalo na itong dog namin, hilig kumain ng yellow or mag-drool. So pag natapakan mo, putik na kaagad yun.
From our previous videos, you can see na sobrang wala pa. Gray din yung sahig namin. Pero semento pa yon. Pero ngayon, ito na, nakatile na siya. So, most of the floors, I think the whole floor here in the ground floor is already tiled. So, we use Texturton tiles and it has been really cool na na-install na nila lahat. So, they do have a lot of options. Nahirapan din kaming mamili kasi sobrang daming maganda. But we opted with the dark tile because with the furniture pieces that we wanted and yung mga accent sa wall, yun yung pinaka-bagay. Saka gusto niya na dark.
Dark ako eh.
So, as you can see, higang-higahan na sa floor. What do you think of our tiles? Do you like our tiles? Okay, I guess he likes it. So, nandito na ako sa sahig para makita nyo. So, eto sa floor. Itong floor namin, actually, maganda yung haspe niya. So, we mentioned previously na ang haspe is the texture of the tile, and very important sa amin yun because since we have the same tile for the whole floor here sa ground floor, meaning pareho sa living, pareho sa kitchen, dining, and sa kitchen.
Yan yung kitchen area namin. This part is our kitchen area. So parang isang tuloy-tuloy kasi open format yung house namin. Open design.
Open format.
Open format.
So we really, bakit may manok? So we really wanted something with texture so that it's also anti-slip, and at the same time, mahilig siyang kumain ng yelo, mahilig siya pag umiinom siya ng water, makalat, and madrool din siya. So mahilig siya maglaway everywhere. So para hindi kami madulas, kasi previously where we're staying, lagi kami nadudulas sa laway niya. Very good, diba? So fun. So yun, we're trying to avoid that. So we wanted to choose something with haspen. Ito yun. Actually, very excited na kami na malinis tong tile na to kasi para ma-appreciate namin talaga yung totoo niyang kulay and quality.
Ito, proud ako dito sa sa part na ito ng bahay. We used jalousie. Kinalakihan ko kasi ito eh. Nung bata ko 10 years ago, next 10 years lang, yung jalousie na style ng windows. Now, we wanted to select this because of airflow. This will be an indoor courtyard for us. Yung maglalagay kami ng puno dito, guys, wala pa rin nagko-comment down below anong magandang puno. Yung mga nagsuggest, yucca? Yucca. Sabi nila, yucca daw, tanim namin. Parang hindi siya native dito sa Pinas eh. So we're looking for a tree that we can plant in our courtyard. This will span around 2 stories high, 2 to 3 stories high yung puno. So maganda kung may jalousie, para yung airflow, tuloy-tuloy siya. So that's the point of this. Very proud kami dyan sa sa kisame namin kasi mahal niyan.
Akala ko dahil ikaw nagpintura.
Hindi. Kasi usually, we use yung mga wood na panels, yung may slats. No? What we did here is a very high-tech way of doing this. Kumuha kami ng yung talagang ceiling material, tapos parang ni-layer siya, pinatong-patong, instead of usual na yung naka-slats na. No? So, ang ginawa, pinatong-patong to simulate the wood plank na style. So, secret lang yan. Baka isipin nyo, wala. Baka sabihin nyo, big time kami. Ginastosan namin yan ng real wood. Basta, yan. Maganda yung ginawa dyan. Gets nyo na yun? Basta, hindi yan tunay. Mukha siyang sahig na ceiling.
And we are here in my office. So, etong home office namin, I think this is one of the first rooms na medyo naayos. Siguro kasi dahil nandito sa ground floor and medyo maliit lang siya. So the tile here was also from Dexterton and we used brown. Well, our tile looks like wood. I wanted the office to look very homey, very natural, beige, neutral colors lang. Kasi I do have an accent wall, which is blue. And gusto ko very relaxing lang yung vibe. Di ba office pero relaxing? Kasi para, hindi ako nasa stress.
The reason why we did not use real wood in our house building, we used tiles that look like wood and that has actual parang wood grain na texture. It's because we have a dog. Dogs usually scratch the floor, and when they scratch the floor, wala namang self-healing na wood. Gas-gas na yan. So with the tiles, I think that's a good compromise, lalo na with this parang wood simulation na tiles.
Yeah, and the tiles that we got from Dexterton, they look really nice. So again, ngayon, puro buhangin and mga dumi lang siya. But at least it looks like wood. It simulates the look that we really wanted. And hindi kami kakabahan na pag kinamot siya ng dog namin, masisira lang siya.
Okay, finally, we are here sa aming second floor naman. The tiling isn't done yet, kaya sabi ko nasa 90% done pa lang kami. So, ang ginawa ulit namin, we had to use another wood grain na finish na tile, or wood tile, wood finish na tile.
Actually, ito, merong sample. Let's show it.
Yeah. Yan. Again, if you look at it closely, we're using tiles again here because of the fact na we have a dog and we love our dog.
Para makita nyo. Ayan siya.
Ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda ng kanyang haspe. Our word for the day, haspe. So, ang ganda niya. So, we will be using this for the whole of our second floor. Tuloy-tuloy lahat hanggang master's bedroom, even our walk-in closet. So, yeah, that's it.
So, before we end this video, we would just like to show you our stairs. I think it's very bright. And sakto siya pang OOTD. Pero, sinabihan kami na it's gonna be a very hot spot here.
Yeah. Kasi alam naman, lagyan mo ng aircon yung stairs, di ba?
Yeah, man. May aircon yung stairs. So, di ba? Tignan mo ang ganda. Oh, boogs. Ganda dito. Selfie. Ayan. So, we are still going to see how to fix this. Wala pa siyang bubong, kaya sobrang liwanag pa niya. His dad's friend said that we need to put glass, but we were supposed to put polycarb and wag daw. So we need to invest in a glass to put dun sa taas. So
yung for the sunroof, I was going to go for a really thick na polycarbonate Pero yun nga, safety and everything, wag daw. So yeah, let's go back to glass. Mahal, but what can we do? Safety first.
So that's it. That's the update for the house. Baka lang ma-feel niya na wala masyadong update but sobrang dami nang nangyari. I think for the past few videos, medyo skeleton pa yung bahay. Pero ngayon, it's looking more like a house now. But we still have a bit of a long way to go. So I think mga around 3 months, hopefully matapos na siya. Last time, sinabi namin, 3 months din. Tapos ngayon, 3 months na naman. So, sana totoong 3 months na talaga.
It's part of the construction journey, yung delays na ganyan. I think we have to be really patient with this and keep on working harder to make sure that we have enough funds to finish the house. So there, that's it. For those who haven't subscribed yet or liked our page on Facebook, please do so if you really want more construction tips. No, right now, or well, not construction, but also house building tips. Yeah. Right now, Dexterton has been our most crucial partner in finishing the house, and it's for good reason. We had several architects come here. No, today another one, just for consultation purposes. Our friends, dad's friends, laging you see their eyes brighten up when you say, "Oh, we partnered up with Dexterton." They're all like, "Wow, best yan."
Yeah, so if you guys are also building a house, renovating, or looking for some fixtures to add to your home, to your current home, we do have a code, so you guys can use it if you would need an extra help or discount from us. So, yun lang. Hope you guys tune in to our next video, and sana sa next video, sobrang dami ng updates na pakita namin sa inyo. So, till then, bye!